Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have two cases from Supcase for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the iPhone 14 Pro Max and you want to get some cases. Look no further. I have two cases, actually one case from Supcase to review today. They sent me out in two different colors. This is the Unicorn Beetle style case in clear and then also purple. So we're going to review or check out both cases. We're going to see how everything fits, how everything lines up. Can your wireless charge with it? The normal things that I do in my videos. I don't make it fancy. I get to the point. You're going to see the case and how the phone fits in there. So let's get into it. Again, shout out to Supcase for actually sending these to me out to review. Let's open up the purple one first. I got everything purple to match the phone. So here it is. You can see they have a little plastic on there. It'll show off the beauty of your phone. And then we have the clear one, which will really show off the beauty, but the sides are clear. So I don't know, which one do y'all think y'all would like more? The purple or just the clear? I like the purple sides, but that is just me. I want to see how they fit and see if you can wireless charge. I do like how they have these little tabs here. Makes it easy to get this plastic off for the most part. All right, so the power button is a lighter purple. Same thing with the volume rockers, and then the sides look great too. The back is a hard plastic. It fits and snug in there. Do you get camera protection? Yes. You also get some lip action around the sides there to protect your beautiful display. The bottom lines up good. The volume rocker is easy to get to, or the alert slot. I've been saying volume rocker so much lately in these videos. The power button is easy to press. Buttons are very important to a case. I say that in almost every video, but they are very important. And these are easy to press. Sometimes you get these hard ones, but lately all these cases have been really good. It does not add much bulk to your phone, but I mean, you can see the overall fit of the case. And then these sides have It's like a soft plastic, so it kind of has like a little grip to it. Not much, but I don't feel myself like losing grip on it. It's like a weird textured plastic on here. But the overall fit, I mean, it's nice and snug. I don't know what y'all think about this one. I like the purple. Let's just check out the clear. Can you wireless charge first? Yes, you can wireless charge. It's not MagSafe, but you can wireless charge and not have a problem. So the clear one, same thing. Let me take off the plastic. Now the clear one shows off the beauty on the side too, and then also the back. Getting Supcase brand in there. Everything's gonna fit the same. So that was the clear. Or you have the purple one. Which one was your favorite? Y'all let me know. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. Look in the description. I have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.